Hello from Product Journey. Today I'm gonna talk about AI nowadays and the countless ways it can be used. Keeping up to date is very important, and I'll mention some of the sources I am using. I'll also talk about some of the most popular products and give some examples how they can be used. No matter these popular products, there is huge competition in the field, and there are a lot of companies from big corporations to small startups that are trying to build the next big thing. I also have one list where I put down notes about the tools that I am exploring and how they could be useful in the future. Following what's going on in the AI field is very important, and one of the ways I'm doing it is by subscribing to newsletters. I have a few subscriptions that I follow on a daily basis. One of them is Future Tools, and as its name says, it provides info about some useful tools that appear every day in the field, but not only, it also gives valuable news and interesting facts about the field of AI. Another one is AI Breakfast. It's issued several times a week and it's very valuable as it provides not only news but also information about AI tools and in addition some news in the field of AI research, which actually most of the newsletters don't really provide. Ben Bytes is another one. It's very interesting and it's issued every work day. So this is a way to really follow what is the most current trends in the field. Profit Snack. It's not just AI focused. It gives some more general information about businesses and tips and quite often stories of very successful companies and what we can learn from them. And the last I want to mention is the Batch. Last but for sure one of the most interesting is issued by Andrew Ng, who is a very important person in the AI field, and once a week he always writes a short text about important stuff that is going on currently and also gives several interesting AI news. Apart from the newsletters, of course, I follow some YouTube channels, I read article on the topic, but about them some other time. Nowadays there are a lot of AI tools, but the most popular are the large language models, and ChatGPT is the most famous among them. I use it a lot for different kind of daily questions, but also for work, no matter if it's about some technical stuff, programming or business questions. And just an example, if we ask it a simple question, what kind of questions can you answer, it gives a very good list of a huge variety of things that it can discuss. Another such chatbot is Bing Chat provided by Microsoft, and behind it also stay models of OpenAI, the company owning ChatGPT. And here I also put this question. Its answer is much shorter, but I've used Bing and I would say it also provides very insightful answers. And another one is Bard provided by Google. I don't really use it much, but it definitely is a good option as well. Let's try here. Yeah, it's something in between considering this question, but of course the whole area of answers that these models can give is quite huge. When it comes to art generation by AI, Midjourney is one of the most popular tools, and I have some experience with it. It's used in Discord. One should write directly to the Midjourney bot or in some public channels on its server where there is the bot, and the prompts can be quite short or sometimes more detailed, and the learning curve is not big. Just in a few hours I was able to create some decent and useful images. Of course, to create something really amazing one needs to spend more time, but generally the images can be used just for fun or in some presentations, or even I've used in some of my previous videos, and I would say the opportunities are quite huge. Can be used even as backgrounds for, let's say, slides of presentation. There are a lot of other tools, but my experience so far is mainly with Midjourney. As I mentioned, I have a list of tools where I put some notes about useful products that I come upon. Here it is. It is still not quite extensive, but I am exploring more and more tools and not digging into them, but generally I would like just to mention some of them to get an idea what is the variety of tools. Let's say this one creates different AI employees, like bot agents that could do different kind of jobs. This, for example, provides information about different restaurants and what we would like to eat or something like this. We can just chat with it. This one creates extensive reports about business idea validations. I'm really surprised how much details it can provide just by writing a few sentences of description about your product. This is really helpful for fundraising. It can guide you through the whole process. Another one focuses on competitive analysis. When you wish to try some idea, this is a touristic one, like a guide that can help you explore different places around the world. Another one that can be used as extension in the browser and helps with a lot of stuff. Product WAP, this is useful for product discovery. So generally the variety of the products that can be quite helpful is really huge. So there are a lot of tools that we can use, and I just mentioned a few of them. For more extensive details about the most useful, I can create some future videos, but for now, if we can summarize that the variety is big, from some general purpose products like ChatGPT or Midjourney to some very specific focused on solving different problems. The variety is huge, but we should never trust too much on this, because these are just AI tools. They can be helpful to automate some of our tasks, to give ideas about problems that we have, but for sure we need to do our own work in order to have good results at the end.